Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to DIY wall art using toilet paper rolls. You will need for this project is toilet paper rolls, scissors and a glue gun. First, you're gonna cut your toilet paper rolls into small pieces this size. Cut as much as you can because we're gonna need a lot of this. And after that, you're gonna glue. And when you cut it, make sure you flat it like this. And then we're gonna glue it. Okay, after you cut all your pieces, we're gonna glue everything together to make as a flower. Put it down. And it presses together. And after that, put glue. Fix it if it's not even. And look at all the flower we made. And then we're gonna attach everything together. And I'm gonna show you next after I attach everything together. So here is, after you make each flower, you're gonna connect everything together like this. And on the bottom, I use one small piece of the toilet paper roll that I cut and glue on the bottom as the straight line. And our wall art is a triangle shape. It turned out really nice. Hope you try this at home. Everything is free. You're gonna throw the toilet paper rolls away anyway. Why not try to do this at home? It's really fun to spend time doing this with your kids. And here a closer look of our wall art that I hang it on the wall. It looks really nice. You can spray paint if you want to. And thank you for watching. Hope you give this a try at home. Really fun. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.